So hello guys, welcome to another vlog of mine, and today we'll be going to explore the library, and also I'm going to share to you a book that I've read and the reflections I got from it. So bear with me guys, so let's go. So hi guys, as you can see we're going to the library right now together with my good friend Ethan. And one thing you need to know is that the library is in the LRC building. So as you can see in the video, this is the LRC building. It's quite big. So that's it. So as you can see, this is the third entrance going to the LRC building. So as you can see guys, in the entrance there are a lot of students that is seen. So this is quite common in the LRC building, as many students go to the library to do all sorts of stuff, studying and maybe just having a peace of mind or something like that. So currently guys, we're going into the second floor of the building, and one thing you need to know is that there is an elevator in the ground floor of the building, but we chose to walk in the stairs instead because we want you guys to see the manual path going into the library, and the library is located in the third floor of the building. So as you guys can see, the entrance to the library. Going to the library is not a new experience of mine, but every time I go, I feel a sense of peacefulness in my mind. Inside the library, the atmosphere is calm. Students can be seen having their own agendas and studying to their heart's desire. The library is the perfect place to study and explore. I also appreciate how organized the layout is inside, making it easy to roam around and find books. So the book that I read guys is about the Diffusion of Innovations by Everett M. Rogers. So this is the fourth edition. So from what I understand a bit from the book is that it is trying to emphasize the spread of new ideas is not just a matter of individual choice, but it is deeply embedded within social structures and relationships. Understanding this perspective encourages a more open approach when considering how to introduce and promote innovations, taking into account the complex nature of social factors that influence adoption. So that's it for my little tour about the library guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.